This is the product testing room. The item we are testing is the ordinary food packaging bag in my hand. The intensity of the hot air is simply the strength of the seal. They fix it on top and then use the machine to test its tensile strength until it breaks. The result shows that the hot air strength is 53.9 newtons. They just tested the tensile strength of the seal. Now, how do you test the overall sealing of the bag after the food is put inside?
We use a hot air instrument to sew a ball opening that can be inflated, and then seal the opening. We test it with a -60 fiber cloth.
How long do you test it? Just 1 minute, right? How do you judge the result in that minute?
We check if there are any bubbles, in the bag or at the edges.
In addition to the previous tests, they also test all raw materials, products during the production process, and their final products. Depending on the product, they also conduct compression tests, including high-temperature cooking at 121 degrees, friction coefficient tests with a meteorological meter, and over 10 different types of equipment testing, like 8-hour sterilization, etc. When we choose products, we mainly look at the style and pattern of the outer packaging.
In fact, packaging is quite particular.
Mrs. Chen, could you explain this in detail?
Yes, but for our bags, we need to use TT, which means this is transparent. We print the pattern on the first layer.
What about the second layer? The second layer is aluminum foil. What is its function?
The aluminum foil serves as a barrier, blocking light and extending shelf life. And what else? There's also nylon. Once combined with aluminum, it protects the aluminum. In our boiled and steamed bags, this layer is essential because during sterilization, it expands. The last layer is PE, which is necessary for shaping the bag.
What is the cost range for such packaging bags, from the cheapest to the most expensive?
If we talk about the cheap ones, there are bags that cost just a few cents. Then, depending on the specifications and material structure, sometimes they can go up to several RMB. For example, if we use ordinary materials, to package rice, it can easily attract rice weevils and turn yellow. However, if we use high-barrier materials, the protection time for the rice is extended.
What are the future development plans or directions? Are you still rooted in the domestic market?
We are continuously exploring foreign markets. For instance, we participate in the Sino-Pack and PACKINNO every March because there are many professional buyers from Southeast Asia. We have been attending this exhibition for many years.
See you at PFP 2025.